I just wanted to pop in and say hi because I just finished filming my fall decor on a budget. Decor. I just said decor.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to another studio vlog. Hi everybody! My hair is a little wild. It's a stream day, and I'm all ready for that, and I'm really excited to stream. That's all I have to say yet. I haven't had my coffee, and I'm not awake. See you after stream! Hello everybody! How's it going? Hi FC! Hi Rankaz! Hi Jessie! Hi Esther! Hi Andy! Hi Twinkle Toes! Hi Ellie! How's it going, guys? Hi everybody! Welcome back to another studio vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's studio vlog. I had a lot of fun filming it. This week is going to be really fun. This week I think we're going to focus a lot on fall stuff and Halloween stuff, and I'm going to be prepping a lot of stuff for my upcoming fall Halloween shop update, which is super exciting. I think I also want to decorate. I think it's time. I have some jack-o'-lantern lights and some pumpkin-y decor and some fun stuff to put up in my room. So I think I'm going to show you guys that. I think I'm actually going to film a separate video just showing you guys all of my fall and Halloween decor. So I'm not sure if that's going to go up before or after this video, but yeah, hopefully you guys will like that. This morning I streamed. It's Tuesday now. I didn't really film too much on Monday. It was kind of a slow, lazy day, but it's Tuesday now. I had a really wonderful stream. Everybody in stream was so lovely and kind and wonderful, and it was great. And now I'm working on some art, and I have a whole bunch of other stuff to work on today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I get a whole bunch of stuff done, and hopefully this week will be super productive. So yeah, let's go. Right now, I'm working on a new Trellis in Your Style challenge, and I'm really excited about how it's turning out. I'll show you guys. So this is what it's looking like. I started it on stream, and a lot of people in chat helped me kind of build up the reference photos and build up the idea. So it's still a work in progress, but it's just a little witch with flowers and pumpkins, and she's holding a chicken. So it should be a really fun Draw This in Your Style challenge, and I'm really excited to post it and see what everybody makes based off of this illustration. So I'm so excited, and it's so festive and fun. Okay, so here we have the first pass of the button pins that I tried out. Here is the witch kitty. And here is the spooky ghost pin. I think it turned out so cute. And then here is another little ghost pin, but this one says boo, boo, boo. And then the last one says stay cozy, and it's a little pumpkin pin. And I think they're all so cute. I decorated this candle with stickers from last fall, and I still think it's so cute. This is what the actual label looks like, but on this side is cute mushrooms. Hi everybody, it's Thursday, which means it was another stream day. And I just wrapped up stream and we rated Coco. I love Coco. She's amazing. Stream was so nice and we did not get much art done, but we had a very chatty, relaxing stream and it was just what I needed today, so it was a lot of fun. And now I think I'm gonna decorate my studio for fall. Hey, I'm so excited. I ate some food first though because my stomach was grumbling so loud on stream. So I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna decorate. I just wanted to pop in and say hi because I just finished filming my fall decor on a budget collection video and it was a lot of fun. It was fun to film something a little out of the ordinary, something different. Yeah, so I had a lot of fun with that and I figured I would just show you guys what I did. I'll just give you a little summary, a little sneak peek. Hello everybody! It's already Friday. How did that happen? Oh my gosh. Today's the stream day again. So I'll touch base with you guys later. I had my stream and it went well and it was good. It's so funny because like sometimes you stream and you have like 60 viewers and like you're like, oh my gosh, that's so many people, whoa, and it's like so like hype and like chat is like popping off. And then other times you stream and it's like 15 viewers and people are so lovely and amazing, but it's just like is less and you're like, did I do something wrong? Did I do something different? But you didn't do anything different and it's just weird. It's weird how sometimes things are booming and other times they're not. So this is just a little PSA that social media is weird and never give up on yourself and keep trying to be consistent and just have fun, because if you focus on the numbers, it gets scary. But yeah, anyway, I had my stream and it was fun. And now it's already Friday. I need to make a trip to the post office. I was doing a whole bunch of letters yesterday, so these are all my Canadian ones. So they're all packed up. My American and international are in my bin over there. So I have to take those to the post office. But before I do that, I think I want to make up my stickers. Some of my stickers. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me while I do that. I wanted to do so much more this week, but I didn't have time. So hopefully I can do some stuff on the weekend as well, because we're getting closer and closer to October and I gotta get my fall stuff out ASAP. So anyway, let's make some stickers. all these stickers off of the sticker mat, but unfortunately, I'm not really happy with them. The colors ended up being way too dark, and I think my printer was literally just like struggling with the amount of ink that was getting put onto these stickers. All these ones over here are B grades because they have like little bits of trailing ink going on here. So I tried another print, just brightening the colors, and I don't think that worked. So I went into my file and I started manually brightening up the browns. So I'll show you the before and after. So that's the cat, before, after, spell book, before, after, and then the potion, before and after. I just wanted to brighten them up, so I'm gonna try and test these as stickers to see how it goes. After a couple failed attempts, this is what they're looking like now. And I'm so much happier with these ones. The coloring is much better, especially on the kitty. Little baby kitty. I don't know how much of a difference you can see on camera, but to me, it's a big difference. So, much happier with these. I was hoping to be able to finish these sticker packs and show you guys in this studio vlog what they looked like. But I think I am gonna roll everything else over into the next studio vlog just so that I can edit this one and get it up for Sunday. This week just went by so fast. Hopefully, as I get back into the groove of doing studio vlogs again, I'll get better at timing these things. But yeah, this is just how it is sometimes, I guess. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your favorite part in the comments. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye!